Now, how to find the equation? Find the equation of the plane which is parallel to the line and this line, two lines, and passing through the point. See, there is one particular plane. See here, first line I'll write it. This is the first line. The first line is this is L1 and this is L2. In L1, the point A, I'll write it. That is 1 comma 1 comma 0. Correct? 1 comma 1 comma I, J, K is 0. Right? First, that is the first line I comma J comma 0 K plus lambda 2I plus J plus 4K. Is it not? Here, and what is this? This is A1. Right? A1. This point position vector A1. Then B1. B1 is what? Here 2I plus J plus 4K. This is one line. There is another line. This is another line. What is another line here? Point B. That is what is it? -1, 3 and -2. Can you follow? -1, just 3 -2. Okay. This is A2. A2, position vector of A2. And this is what? B2. B2 is what is the value? 3I plus 2J plus K. 3 minus, see, minus 3I. Minus 3I plus 2J plus K. Now find the equation of plane which is parallel to the line. This is one line, this is the line. Parallel to the plane. That means you have to imagine another plane. It is the plane. This is the plane. Right? See? I'll write it like this. Right? This is the line. L1. This is also L1. As long as this is a vector, is it not? This is a line. There is no change here also. Again what? Another line. Understood? See. Imagine the picture. Right? Okay. Now you got two lines. Find the equation. Now you have to find this equation. Find the equation of this plane which is parallel to this two line. This plane is passing through the point. What is the point? The passing through the point 0 comma 1 comma -1. This is the point. Okay. This is the point. Now you have the point P. You need a normal vector. If you have the normal vector and the point is what? This. Then you can easily calculate. This is what? X1, Y1, Z1. This is the point. These are normal. Now normal and point, you can find out the equation, is it not? To find the equation, what we need? We need the point on the plane, a normal on the plane. This is required. Now what is this normal? Normal is what? Is perpendicular to this, no? This normal is perpendicular to both A and B. This is what? B1 and B2. Then what is the normal here? Normal vector. This is a normal vector. Is what? B1 cross B2. Can you follow? This is a point, no doubt, but this B1 cross B2. That is equal to I, J, K. Right? That is equal to I, J, K. 2, 1, 4. Again what? -3, 2, 1. You know how to expand? Plus, minus, plus. Right? You know what I did here? Look, I worked it out here. You know, normal vector, I got it. What is normal vector? This is what? B cross B1 cross B2, right? This is B1, this is B2, B1, B1, this is B1, this is B2, this is in this plane. Therefore, this is a normal is what? B1 cross B2, right? Therefore, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, minus 3, 2, 4, minus 3, 1, 2, 4. If you expand, you'll get it this. Therefore, this is a normal, right? This is what? Li plus Mj plus Nk, is it not? This is normal. The normal, this is x1, y1, z1. Therefore, equation of the plane. Equation of the plane is what? X minus x1, L, x minus x1 plus M, y minus y1 plus N. This. You substitute, you'll get this answer. That's all. How is this? See, the same sum. It's a very, very tough sum. But for this 3 marks, okay, even IIT, JEE, they have asked. Alright? See, now find the equation of a plane which is perpendicular to the plane, two planes. See, there is one plane. See, this is the plane. There is one plane, so that is 2x minus 2y plus z is equal to 0. This is one plane. What is the normal for this plane? Directly you can write. What is the normal? N1 you can write. N1 is what? 2i minus 2j plus k. This is the normal, right? I'll write like this. Dotted. It is coming like this, right? Okay. This is a N1. Okay. Then another plane. There is another plane. Right? I'll write it like this. You have to picturize it. Otherwise, see, this is one plane. Okay. Can you follow? See, this is okay. This is N1. N1 is come out N1. For this plane, what is N2? What is this plane? What is the plane here? X minus y plus 2z equal to 4. That means you have to write another normal N2C. X minus y plus 2z is equal to 4. Therefore, what is N2? N2 is equal to I minus j plus 2k. Correct? Therefore, what? N2. This is N2. N2 is what? N1 is what? N1 is 2i minus 2j plus k. N2 is I minus j plus 2k. Two vectors. And now imagine a plane. This two plane is on the ground. This one. This is another plane. This two plane. Find the equation of the plane which is perpendicular to the plane. Now find the equation of this plane which is perpendicular to this plane. This plane and this plane. Two plane. And passing through the point. Passing through the point is some point. See, now there is one point. What is this point? P is the point. P is the point. 1 comma minus 2 comma 1. Right? This is the point. This is x1, y1 and z1. Right? Now with the point. We require one normal vector. Right? We require a normal vector to the plane. Point is there, normal. If we have, we can get the equation. What is the normal vector? This you can easily get it. The normal this is what is it n? N is equal to n1 cross n2, that is equal to I, j, k. n1 is what? 2 minus 2 and 1. This is 1 minus 1, 2. Then you have done this. This already I worked it out. If you do it, what will get? Minus 3i minus 3j. I got it. This. Because so many times I worked out, I remember the problem itself so fast. 10 minutes before that I worked it out. For the recording purpose I am doing this. 2-3 times I worked out, I remember the value so much. Then again what? This is the point. Then what is the equation? This is minus 3i minus 3j plus 0k L m li plus mj plus nk. This is what? X minus x1 L plus m y minus y1 plus n z minus z1 equal to 0. That is the required equation of plane. Therefore L is what? Minus 3 x minus x1. x1 is what? 1 minus m is what? Minus 3 y minus y1 is what? Minus 2. That becomes plus 2. It becomes plus 0 into z minus z1. z1 is what? 1 equal to 0 minus 3x minus 3x plus 3 minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0 minus 3x minus 3y minus 3 equal to 0, or x plus y plus x plus y plus 1 equal to 0. This is the required equation. See, IIT, this is one of the easiest questions they have asked. Even for, it is not worth of IIT. Again I am telling you. Okay. This one. Here, right, find the equation of plane containing a straight line. Okay. Perpendicular to the plane containing a straight lines. See, there is one particular plane. Right. This is one plane. Here there is another plane. This is the plane. This is P1. This plane is P1. This is P2. In this plane, right, there are two lines. There are two straight lines. Here, no, see here they are passing through origin only. See, this is passing through origin. O is origin. Here one line. One line. This is L1. The another line L2. Look. Right. This is L2. Right. This is L2, this is L1, because both containing origin. And also find the equation of this plane. Now you have to find this equation of the plane. What is this equation? What is the equation of plane containing the line? This is also passing through origin. See, this is the line. It contains a line. Coming down and coming down here. This is L3, because this is right, this is horizontal, right? Look, this is one line, this is one line, right? And this is another line. This is a vertical line, vertical plane. Now you have to find the equation of this. Why it is passing through origin, everywhere origin, right? O is the origin. Okay. Now what is this line? This line contains what? L1 is equal to A1 plus lambda. What is that? 3i plus 4j plus 2k. This is A1. A1 is what? 0 comma 0 comma 0 plus lambda. That is what? L1 is equal to A1 plus lambda B1. B1 is this. L2 is equal to A2 plus mu B2. That means what? L2 is what? L2 is the equation. See, this is what R1. R. Okay, this also R. Okay, R is equal to 0 comma 0 comma 0 plus B. B2 is what? B2 is what? 4i plus 2j plus 3k. Right? Now, there is a origin is there 0 comma 0 comma 0. That the point is on this. Right? Point is already this. See, now we have point P0, 0, 0. That is x1, y1, z1. We need normal. What is it? But n is what? N is definitely can. This is B1. This is B2. N1 is what? P1 cross B2. Right? You know N and B. Then you can easily calculate. See, you understood? 2i plus 3i, 2i plus 3j plus 4k. This line. Okay. See now, I'm N1. What is N1? N1 is what? N1 is B1 cross B2. This is B1. See, this is B1, this is B2. This is B1, this side is B1, this is B2. This normal is what? You got it. Right? Okay. IJK 3, 4, 2. Then you know how to expand plus minus plus. Here 8i. Therefore N1 is equal to 8i minus j minus 10k. N1. Okay. See, what I do is I'll shift this N1 here on this board here. Okay. Now I'll write it here. See, this is the plane P2, right? This is what is that? N1. What is this? This is B3, no? This is B3. B3. What is B3? B3 is 2i plus 3j plus 4k, correct? N1 is what? 8i minus j minus 10k. Right? Now, what is the normal vector? The normal vector. This is N1, N3. N3 is equal to cross product of, what is that? N3 is equal to cross product of N1 cross B3. That means N3 is equal to I, J, K, 2, 3, 4, 8, minus 1 and minus 10. Understood? See now that N3 is equal to 26i minus 52j plus 26k. Now this is the normal and this origin is also there. O is the origin 0 comma 0 comma 0, right? Then here it is passes through origin. You have got normal as well as origin. Therefore what you get? This is L M N. Therefore L x minus, this is x1 y1 z1 like that. X minus 0 L minus, then M into y minus 0 plus n into z minus 0. L is what? 26x plus minus 52y plus 26 z equal to 0, or 26x 52y plus 26z equal to 0, or divide through by this x minus 2y plus z equal to 0. Now if you do this such sum, so though they say it is IIT, it is not IIT level, it is your PUC level only. You be thorough with these sums, 2-3 times you do it, it will be easy, right?